If your neighbor is not responding, turn the face of your neighbor and face yourself and say, neighbor, you will not fall sick this year. Doctors will not make money from you this year. Coffee sellers will not make money from you this year. Shake your neighbor, neighbor. I am the next billionaire in town. I need you to hold your neighbor's hand and shake your neighbor, neighbor. Now put your hand on your neighbor's head and say, neighbor, your hand will not carry a wrong case. Applause, please. Now, I've come to know over the years that the best woman you can ever marry is from the southwest of Nigeria. It's the Houston. Can you give yourself a round of applause? Let me bring money to you. I need to give you money. My in-laws from Ondo State. Very awesome part of all. You want to these people. Now I know that the best women in the world are women from the southwest of Nigeria. I am from the Niger Delta. So I am married to a woman from the southwest. The women from the southwest, they make the best wives in the whole world. They are the best mothers in the whole world. They are the most fantastic and the most beautiful women in the whole world. So if you are from the southwest of Nigeria, can you give yourselves a big round of applause if you are a woman? Now that you are married, you will stop eating outside, yes or no? No answer for him. You will stop eating outside, yes or no? Yes. Did you hear him? You will stop eating outside again, yes or no? Yes. He said yes. Can we give him a round of applause, please? The second and the last question. Now that you are married, at the end of the month, you will give your wife your salary. And no, the women are happy. The men are saying, like, Madam, do you like that one? You like that one? Yeah, I know you will like it. If it's a women are wonderful women, they are good managers. Now that you are married, at the end of the month, you will give your wife your salary. She will give you money to buy fuel into your car and also hang out with the boys on Friday, either at Rodizo or at the place or at Oriental. Yes or no? What is no? I will echo you. He said, yes or no? Yes. He said yes. This is a man, a complete man. Can we give him a round of applause?